Are you looking to visit the perfect European city this summer? Look no further. Welcome to Vienna, the city of music, elegance, and history. In just 3 days, we will explore grand architecture, charming cafes, and vibrant markets. Join me in unraveling Vienna's timeless beauty. Let's get started. Let's understand first how to get in and around Vienna. The most convenient way to reach the city from the airport is by train. The City Airport train or CAT costs 16 euros, but I recommend the OBB train for just 4 euros and 40 cents. The OBB ticket counter is located as you exit the airport towards the train station. Getting around Vienna is also very easy with many options, but trams and underground metros are the most convenient. Day tickets from the Winmobil app costs only 5 euros and 80 cents and offer unlimited travel. However, if you are in a mood to splurge, take a ride on one of those horse carriages or a vintage car. There are plenty of stay options in Vienna for all budgets. Few top districts to stay are the Leopoldstadt district, the Neubau district, or the Innerstadt district. Innerstadt is closer to the major attractions and is always bustling. However, I chose to stay in Fevretten due to its close proximity to the Wien Hauptbahnhof station. You'd get hotels here starting 90 to 95 euros per night. There's no better way to start day one other than the iconic St. Stephen's Cathedral. Set in the heart of the vibrant Stephansplatz, this 12th century cathedral is a Gothic masterpiece, and its towering spire and intricate details are truly breathtaking. You can climb up either the North Tower or the South Tower to enjoy the magnificent Vienna skyline. However, I recommend the North Tower for grander views. The tickets are sold in the ground floor for 7 euros, cash only. If you are a music aficionado, your next stop has to be the Vienna Opera House. Tickets are sold right outside the Opera House and you can enjoy a memorable musical concert. A short walk from the Opera House will bring you to Michlerplatz. This vibrant square is the gateway to the Hofburg Palace, the Sissi Museum, and the National Library. Each of these places are architectural marvels, and you can visit these places according to your taste. Tickets are available at the venue and also online. However, during peak seasons, it would be prudent to purchase the tickets online in advance. Your next stop is the sprawling Burggarten, a great place for a stroll, or you can also read a book in the shadows admiring the sculpture of Mozart. Our final stop for the day is the Votive Church, also known as the White Church. This neo-Gothic marvel, built in the 18th century with its twin spires and beautiful stained glass, is a testament to Vienna's architectural splendor. While St. Stephen's Cathedral is bustling with people, you can certainly visit the Votive Church to enjoy some tranquility. With some of the major attractions at the heart of Vienna checked out, let's start day 2 with the Prater Amusement Park. The atmosphere here is extremely lively and vibrant, and your kids would love it. Although, another reason to visit this place is to take a ride on the giant Ferris wheel and be spellbound by a magnificent vista of the Vienna skyline. You can purchase the tickets online from Get Your Guide, and at the time of recording this video, the prices are 14 euros. Totally worth it. If you admire captivating architecture, Hundertwasser House is the place to be. This house, designed by Austrian artist Hundertwasser, is a symbolism of organic forms, individuality, and freedom. Hundertwasser village is also home to multiple shops from where you can pick up your favorite Vienna souvenirs. The next destination of the day shall be St. Charles Church. St. Charles Church, with its grand Baroque architecture, stands as one of Vienna's most striking landmarks. Admire the majestic twin columns and the soaring dome from the outside, and step inside to discover a breathtaking interior adorned with vibrant frescoes and intricate details, a testimony to artistic brilliance. The panoramic view from the top of the dome also offers an unparalleled glimpse into Vienna's skyline. Entry tickets to the church are sold for 9 euros and 50 cents, and I assure you, it's going to be well spent. By now, you'd have clocked the elusive 10k steps, so treat yourself with some shopping therapy at Maria Hilfer Street. Maria Hilfer Street is one of the main shopping streets of Vienna and also amongst the longest streets of the city. You will find the who's who of the fashion brands here. The best part is, the street is largely pedestrian, which makes window shopping enjoyable. End your evening with some good Viennese coffee and apple strudel at Ida Conditorei. On our final day, let's sneak in some royal time. We will start our day with the famous Belvedere Palace. The Upper Belvedere, apart from being a brilliant Baroque architecture, also boasts of its world-renowned art collections, including Gustav Klimt's The Kiss. The Upper Belvedere also offers stunning view of the Lower Belvedere from the first floor. If you enjoy sprawling gardens and princely splendor, Lower Belvedere is your place to be. Tickets are sold both online and at the palace compound. You can buy separate tickets of the upper and lower Belvedere or a combined ticket as well. Bear in mind, the entry is granted in specific time slots, so plan ahead. However, you can catch up on a delicious lunch at the Art Corner restaurant right across the street if you have a longer queue. Next up on the list is the Austrian Parliament. The epicenter of Austria's legislative process, this architectural masterpiece is inspired by ancient Greek style and are adorned with magnificent sculptures. No visit to Vienna is complete without visiting the iconic Café Central. This coffee house, with its rich heritage of almost 150 years, is the go-to place for classic Viennese dishes, traditional coffee specialties, and sweet treats from the in-house patisserie. Soak up in the historic surroundings as you sample Café Central's mouth-watering choice of culinary creations. So that's that from Vienna. With its rich history, marvelous architecture, and vibrant cafe culture, Vienna has something to offer to everyone. I hope you liked this video and will find the information useful for your next trip to Vienna. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.